हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल लेट्स लर्न। तो आज से हम शुरू कर रहे हैं हमारी ग्रामर लर्निंग सीरीज। लेकिन आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको अगर जानना है व्हाट आर वॉवल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स, व्हाट इज अ मोनोफ्थोंग एंड डायफ्थोंग, जिसके ऊपर मैं और भी डिटेल्ड वीडियोस लाऊंगी, तो पहले आप जाकर उस वीडियो को ज़रूर देख लो यहाँ आई बटन से। और बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ। So, before starting, what is a sentence, what are the kinds of sentence, and in how many parts we can divide a sentence, I want to tell you that in English we have parts of speech. We have 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, conjunction. Number 7, preposition. And number 8, interjection. I will make a detailed video on what are parts of speech and what role they play in a sentence. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with understanding what is a sentence and what are the kinds of sentence, and a sentence can be divided in how many parts. Singing is Ram. What do you think? Is this a complete, meaningful sentence? No. If I say Ram is singing, this is a correct sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words. Sentence क्या होता है? Group of words होता है, जिसमें बहुत सारे group of words रहते हैं। वो सारे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स मिलकर बनाते हैं एक सेंटेंस। सेंटेंस के 3 फीचर्स होते हैं। नंबर 1, अ सेंटेंस बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर। फॉर एग्जांपल, रवि इज अ टॉल बॉय। फीचर नंबर 2, अ सेंटेंस एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप और अ क्वेश्चन मार्क और an exclamation mark. For example, she is a good girl. Do you play guitar? What a beautiful dress. Memorize these 3 features to understand what is a sentence. Do you know that a single word with complete sense can also be called a sentence? For example, go. This little single word is a complete sentence. Why and how? Because it is conveying a complete meaning. It starts with a capital letter, it ends with a full stop, and go has a complete meaning. Go means jao. So that is a complete meaning. Now, what are the kinds of sentences? We have 4 kinds of sentence. Number 1, declarative or assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, exclamatory sentence. And number 4, imperative sentences. I will make a detailed video on the kinds of sentences. Now let's move on to understand in how many parts we can divide a particular sentence. A sentence can be divided into 2 parts, a subject and a predicate. तो एक subject क्या होता है? एक subject वो होता है जिसके बारे में पूरे सेंटेंस में बात हो रहा है। A subject can be a person, a thing, a name, a place. Subject can also be called as a doer, यानी कि कर्ता. What is a predicate? Predicate is the description about the subject. It is any idea or description about the subject. For example, Mahesh इस सेंटेंस में हम लोग महेश का बात कर रहे हैं कि महेश इज अ गुड डांसर। तो इस सेंटेंस में महेश क्या हो गया? सब्जेक्ट, और इज अ गुड डांसर हो गया प्रेडिकेट। इफ आई टेल यू अ सेंटेंस सिट डाउन, तो इसमें तो ना ही कोई नाम है, ना ही किसी प्लेस का नाम है, ना ही हम यहाँ पर किसी की बात कर रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट क्या है? यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट हिडन है। So friends, in all these kinds of sentences where the subject is hidden, we consider the subject as you. In these kinds of sentences like sit down, give me the pen, or stand up, go there, come back. So in these kinds of sentences, the subject you is hidden. And we need to understand it because these sentences are generally commanding sentences or ordering sentences. Okay? A subject can come in the starting of a sentence or in the middle of a sentence or in the end of a sentence. Also, a subject can occupy the maximum portion of a sentence or it can occupy the minimum portion of a sentence also. For example, Sita has completed her job. So in this sentence, the subject is in the beginning of a sentence. Sita. Because here we are talking about Sita. That Sita has completed the job. So Sita is the subject and has completed the job is the predicate. Here comes Suresh. So in this sentence, the subject is Suresh, which is in the end of the sentence. And here comes is the predicate. The city, Delhi, and its suburbs looked deserted. What is deserted? That means sunsan, khali. Okay? So in this sentence we are talking about the city Delhi and its suburbs. So this whole thing, the city Delhi and its suburbs is the subject, and looked deserted, the two little words looked deserted are the predicate. So in this sentence the subject is occupying the maximum portion of the sentence. Now if I take a sentence, come here. So I told you that in these types of sentences the subject is always hidden. So what is the subject here? Very good. The subject is you. And the whole sentence, come here, is the predicate. So now my friends, you know what is a sentence, what are the kinds of sentence, and in how many parts we can divide a particular sentence. It's time to know some fun facts. Fact number 1. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence has all the letters of the English alphabet. We generally use this sentence for handwriting practice, and these types of sentences are called pangrams because they use all the letters of the English alphabet. Fact number 2. English is the language of the skies. Do you know that all the pilots who fly in the air use only English language to communicate? Now it's time to know today's new words. Number 1. Relinquish. This means to stop doing something. You can use it like I relinquished dancing. Word number 2. Mortified. This means to make somebody feel embarrassed. For example, she mortified her brother. You can also use a base in the place of mortify. she abased her brother. Thank you for watching today's video. अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon so that whenever I bring something new you get notified first. Do remember one thing, that these videos are in a series and my next video will be a detailed video on kinds of sentences. So thank you for watching today's video. Take care. Bye.